spinach salad with lots of bacon. We're also gonna add some sauteed onions. Hello, on their way to being onion soup, but not quite there yet. We're gonna keep them kind of naked looking like this. Really just delightful with bay, sage, and thyme. And I added a little bit of bone stock. I don't want to put this spinach in a pan and like actually cook it, so I didn't. I put it in a bowl. Here's our giant salad bowl filled with about 10 cups of spinach. And I was just slicing our apples. Now we're gonna take half a lemon, squeeze the juice of that down over the apples, right? Give them a little tartness, keep them from browning. Throw those guys in there. Boop. Now we're gonna add in about 8 ounces of the smoked, this is smoked blue cheese. You can buy it in a lot of the larger grocery stores. Of course, you can use any blue cheese you like. I prefer smoked blue cheese in this. So I have about a 1/4 cup of cider vinegar, or you can use sherry vinegar, and about 1/3 cup of olive oil, salt and pepper. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, about 2 tablespoons of grainy Dijon mustard, and I'm gonna add a little granulated garlic, granulated onion, and smoked paprika. And there you go, your dressing is ready, and all you have to do, put your hand over the top and give it a shake. So here we have a bed of 2 large bunches of medium-sized spinach. All we did was stem it. I put a little bit of lemon juice on 2 Braeburn apples so that we could keep them from turning brown. I baked off a pound of bacon because John and I ate a 1/4 pound of bacon before it got added to the salad. Optional, you can also add a small rotisserie chicken, which I was just working on when you guys came back to me. I'm just finishing that process right now. You can pull it or chop it and then just decorate the salad with it, okay? Walnuts, toasted walnuts. So walnuts, apple, bacon, and then our highlight, those beautiful warm onions. Look how gorgeous they are. With sage and thyme that will help wilt that spinach a bit. Look at that. I mean, my God. This is like stunning. Stunning dish. I love this dish so much. Then we take sourdough crouton, just toasted sourdough bread with a little olive oil spray and thyme and sage. Granulated garlic and onion. Spread the crouton around. Now we're gonna take that dressing and the whole thing gets poured over top.